side of the equation, you have a exponential x minus b exponential negative x, isn't it? Meaning the coefficient of exponential x, which is a, is the same as 3, isn't it? Because the coefficient of exponential x must be given that a exponential x minus b exponential negative x is equals to 8 cosh x minus 2 sinh x. Find the value of a and b. So the first step is the exponential definition of cosh x and sinh x, isn't it? So exponential definition of cosh x, exponential x is cosh x plus sinh x, and exponential negative x is cosh x minus sinh x. If you add the two equations, you get exponential x plus exponential negative x is 2 cosh x. So it implies if you divide both sides by 2, you get cosh x is a half exponential x plus exponential negative x. A half into exponential x plus exponential negative x, or simply exponential x plus exponential negative x over 2, isn't it? Then for you to get the value of sinh x, you subtract the two equations, exponential x minus exponential negative x on the left hand side. Then on the right hand side, we have 2 sinh x, because cos x minus cos x is 0, sinh x minus negative sinh x is 2 sinh x. So if you divide both sides of the equation by 2, you get sinh x is exponential x minus exponential negative x divided by 2. So from there, we now note down cos x is exponential x plus exponential negative x over 2. Sinh x is exponential x minus exponential negative x over 2, isn't it? Are we together? Yes. Having done that, we now start solving the equation, because we now know the exponential definition of cos x and the exponential definition of sinh x, isn't it? Now our equation, we've been given a exponential x minus b exponential negative x is 8 cosh x minus 2 sinh x. So where there is cos x, you put the value of cos x. Where there is sinh x, you put the value of sinh x, isn't it? Are we together? So what is cos x? Cos x is exponential x plus exponential negative x over 2, isn't it? Then you move, the value of sinh x is exponential x minus exponential negative x over 2, isn't it? Having done that, we just simplify. 2 goes here once, 2 goes here 4, isn't it? So we have 4 into exponential x plus exponential negative x. 2 goes here once, 2 goes there 1, then it is minus 1 into exponential x minus exponential negative x, isn't it? Are we together? Open the brackets. Open the brackets. 4 times exponential x is 4 exponential x plus 4 times exponential negative x is 4 exponential negative x. We're done with that, isn't it? And negative 1 times exponential x, that is negative 1 exponential x. And negative 1 times negative exponential negative x, you get negative into negative is positive, isn't it? Isn't it? Yes. Then 1 times exponential negative x is negative, is exponential negative x, isn't it? So we have 1 as a coefficient there. So you simplify. For exponential x, what do we have? We have 4 and negative 1. You simplify exponential x, isn't it? Exponential x is a common factor, so we have 4 minus 1, you get 3 exponential x, meaning 4 exponential x minus 1 exponential x, you remain with 3 exponential x, isn't it? Then you move to exponential negative x, positive 4 and positive 1. Positive 4 and positive 1, you get a total of positive 5, isn't it? So 5 exponential negative x, meaning 4 exponential negative x plus exponential negative x, you get 5 exponential negative x, isn't it? Having simplified that, on your left hand side of the equation, you have a exponential x minus b exponential negative x, isn't it? Meaning the coefficient of exponential x, which is a, is the same as 3, isn't it? Because the coefficient of exponential x must be the same, meaning a must be the same as 3. So when you put 3 where a is, you get them to be the same, exponential 3x, 3 exponential x, isn't it? Are we together? You move to the next one, where there is negative b is the same as positive. Have you seen that? Negative b is the same as positive 5. So if you multiply both sides by negative, you get b is the same as negative 5. Meaning where there is b, if you put negative 5, you end up with positive 5, isn't it? Are you together? Because it was minus b, so it is minus negative 5, meaning plus 5. And you can see on the right hand side of the equation, we have plus 5 exponential negative x, isn't it? Are we together? You don't leave that sign behind. So we found the value of a and b using the exponential definition of hyperbolic functions. Are you seeing how hyperbolic functions are simple? Isn't it? Very direct. Very, very direct. Hyperbolic functions are very direct by definition of an exponential function, isn't it? The exponential definition of hyperbolic function can solve any problem in hyperbolic function. It can prove an hyperbolic identity. It can solve an hyperbolic equation, isn't it? Are we together?